Everyone has their own idea of what a perfect snow day looks like. For some people, it means waking up to find that they are snowed in and can't go to work. For others, it means taking the kids out for a snowball fight or having snowball fights with their friends. And for the others, it means skiing down the slopes or sledding down hills with their dog or going ice skating with friends and family. There are many ways to enjoy the snow depending on where you live in the world. Which is why we have compiled a list of 10 places around the world where you can experience snow. Let us see what those are. Number 1. Jotunheimen National Park, Norway. The winter turns the mountainy area of Jotunheimen National Park into a white snow paradise. You can enjoy several snow activities like hiking, skiing, and more. Number 2. Onyang Hot Springs, Asan, South Korea. Enjoy the comfort of hot springs in the middle of a beautiful snowy landscape at Onyang Hot Springs in South Korea. It is a wonderful experience since the hot waters also have healing properties. Number 3. Whistler, Canada. Whistler is your perfect winter adventure getaway and is one of the largest ski resorts in North America. It has activities like skiing and snowboarding, snow sowing, tobogganing, and ski jumping and more. Number 4. Iceland. If you were to think about enhancing your snow experience, there is no better way than the Northern Lights. When you go to Iceland, you can get the best of both, the auroras and snow. Number 5. Hokkaido, Japan. The northernmost prefecture of Japan, Hokkaido receives heavy snowfall. You can enjoy skiing and other activities. Don't forget to enjoy the traditional Japanese tea ceremony and a piping hot bowl of ramen. Number 6. Christchurch, New Zealand. One of the best destinations in the world, Christchurch is a winter wonderland. You can take a walk in the snow, skiing, ice skating, Matariki, that is the Festival of Lights, Tekapo Springs, road trips, and more. Number 7. Alaska, USA. Alaska is a paradise for winter recreational activities including downhill skiing, snowboarding, cross-country skiing, ice skating, and snowmobiling. Number 8. San Carlos de Bariloche, Argentina. Bariloche is one of the greatest destinations for snow activities such as skiing, cross-country skiing, sliding, and ATV riding. The mountains offer smooth slopes and woods. Number 9. St. Moritz, Switzerland. You cannot talk about snow and not speak about St. Moritz in Switzerland. Apart from skiing and ice skating, you can also play snow polo, ride the Glacier Express, Corviglia Funicular, or go on walks and more. Number 10. The Himalayas, Nepal. If you want adventure treks in the winters, Nepal is here for you. From Everest Base Camp, Annapurna Circuit Trek, Mira Peak climbing and more, you have a lot to select from. We hope you liked this video. These were just a few places, and of course there are several other places where you can enjoy snow. Let us know if you have experienced any of this before, and we'll see you in the next one.